How to set up TikTok Shop. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your TikTok Shop. Now first, here in their website, you can choose or switch your country. You can also sign up using your mobile phone number or email and then create your password. You can also sign up using your existing TikTok account, or if you have an account, just click the login. Now after that, you can choose your business type. You also have to put your shop name and then the category of the product you sell. Now here you need also to upload some identification and some certificates about your business. And then you also have to put your email address and then your phone number. And then once you're done, just click the submit button. Now once you're logged in, just make sure to do these 3 main steps enable for you to fully set up your TikTok account. And then that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.